Hey YouTube, we finally got a fridge. It took us a little bit over a month because the original order was for a Fisher and Pay cow. On that video, a commenter said to make sure to give them a call because supply chain issues and things being on back ordered. Thank you for letting us know, kind internet stranger. We called them and it was being consistently pushed back every week, and we wanna cook soon, so we ended up getting this Kitchenaid that also got pretty good reviews. I think it's going to stick out a little bit more than the Fisher and Pay cow, but we love it. Let's get it installed. That was pretty easy, definitely easier than the washer and dryer. All I had to do was connect the water line there with a couple of wrenches and plug it in. Going to finish reading the instruction manuals and push it into place to work on all the shelves inside. I got all the packaging removed and changed the shelves around, but going to wait for my wife to see how we want to have the shelves organized. I am following the instruction manual to make sure to check for everything. Like, we have ice. I am so happy for a fridge. I feel like we are adults now. Video 42 done. Here's one of the best parts. Or not. There we go. Nice.